How to get rid of urine smell in carpet, detailed guide. Let's face it, accidents happen. And when they do, they can leave a lingering reminder in the form of a not-so-pleasant urine smell on your carpet. But don't worry, with this step-by-step guide on how to get rid of urine smell in carpet, you'll be able to say goodbye to that urine smell and hello to fresh-smelling carpets. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Step 1. Blot up as much urine as possible. The first step in getting rid of the smell of urine in your carpet is to remove as much of the urine as possible. This is important because the longer the urine stays on the carpet, the harder it will be to remove the odor. By blotting up as much of the urine as possible with clean towels or paper towels, you can remove a significant amount of the urine before it has a chance to soak into the carpet fibers. To do this, press the towels or paper towels onto the affected area and apply pressure to soak up as much of the urine as possible. Make sure to rotate the towel or paper towel so that a clean area is always in contact with the carpet, as this will prevent spreading the urine around. Repeat this process until the towel or paper towel comes away relatively clean. Use clean and white towels or paper towels to prevent color transfer or chemical reactions to the carpet. Make sure you don't rub the area, as this will push the urine deeper into the carpet fibers and make it harder to remove. Instead, press down firmly to soak up as much of the urine as possible. Step 2. Mix a solution of white vinegar and water. After blotting up as much of the urine as possible, the next step is to neutralize the odor. One effective way to do this is by using a solution of white vinegar and water. White vinegar is a natural deodorizer and disinfectant that can neutralize the smell of urine and help to break down the urine crystals that can cause stains and odors. To make the solution, mix 1 part white vinegar and 1 part water. For example, if you use 1 cup of white vinegar, use 1 cup of water. You can adjust the amount of solution depending on the size of the affected area. Step 3. Apply the solution on the affected area. The next step is to apply it on the affected area of the carpet. Allow it to sit for about 15 minutes. This will give the vinegar time to work on neutralizing the urine smell and breaking down the urine crystals. The longer you let the solution sit, the more effective it will be. You can apply the solution using a clean cloth or a spray bottle. If using a cloth, make sure it is wrung out so the cloth is not too wet, and gently blot the solution onto the affected area. If using a spray bottle, make sure to saturate the area completely, but be careful not to oversaturate and make the carpet too wet. Be sure to test a small inconspicuous area of the carpet first to ensure that the solution does not cause any discoloration or damage. Furthermore, don't use a steam cleaner or any heat-based cleaning method on the carpet after applying the vinegar solution, as heat will set the urine and make it harder to remove. Step 4. Blot up the solution. After applying the solution of white vinegar and water to the affected area of the carpet and letting it sit for several minutes, the next step is to blot up the solution with clean towels or paper towels. You need to blot the solution after letting it sit for a while because although the vinegar neutralizes the urine odor, it can also bleach the carpet if left for too long. To blot up the solution, follow the same instructions provided in Step 1. Step 5. Sprinkle baking soda on the affected area. After blotting up the solution of white vinegar and water with clean towels or paper towels, the next step is to sprinkle baking soda on the affected area of the carpet. Baking soda is a natural odor absorber, and it helps to neutralize the urine smell and remove any remaining urine crystals. To do this, take a generous amount of baking soda and sprinkle it evenly over the affected area. Make sure that the entire area is covered and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. The baking soda will work to absorb any remaining urine smell and neutralize it. Step 6. Vacuum up the baking soda. After sprinkling baking soda on the affected area of the carpet and letting it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, the next step is to vacuum up the baking soda. Use a standard vacuum cleaner with strong suction. Vacuum the entire affected area, ensuring that you go over it several times to pick up as much of the baking soda as possible. While doing this, avoid using a beater bar or brush attachment on the vacuum cleaner, as it can damage the carpet. Instead, use the suction only to remove the baking soda. Step 7. Air dry in the presence of sunlight. Free-flowing air can do wonders in getting rid of smell. So once you're done vacuuming, take out your carpet to a space where it can air dry. Also make sure that there's ample sunlight in the space. This is because the UV rays and sunlight help eliminate smells because they break down odor-causing molecules in the air. But do note that too much exposure to those ultraviolet rays can also bleach the colors of your carpet, making them appear faded. So do not leave your carpet out in sunlight for too long. But what if you can't take your carpet out? Then do your best to ensure optimal ventilation. You can also use a dehumidifier and air purifier to speed up the drying process indoors and destroy odorous particles respectively. We recommend air purifiers that come with HEPA filters, activated carbon or ionized filters, and UV light. Step 8. Repeat steps 3 to 7 if the smell persists. After completing steps 1 to 7, it is important to check if the urine smell has been eliminated completely. If the smell persists, it may be necessary to repeat the process. Repeat steps 3 to 7 until the smell is completely removed. This may take several repetitions, depending on the severity of the smell and the amount of urine that was present on the carpet. If the smell persists even after repeating the process several times, it may indicate that the urine has reached the padding under the carpet. In such a case, it may be necessary to remove and replace the affected section of the padding to completely remove the smell. Step 9. Consider hiring a professional carpet cleaner if the smell persists. If after repeating steps 3 to 7 several times and the urine smell persists, it may be necessary to hire a professional carpet cleaner. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.